Okay, so let us look at this problem. This is a definite integral with 0 as lower limit and pi by 4 as upper limit. Integral is dx by cos cube x root 2 sine 2x. It is a little bit tricky. What we have to do in this is we have to put tangent x is equal to t. Tangent x is nowhere in this integral, but we have to put tangent x is equal to t because sin x or cos x will not work in this situation. So if tangent x is t, then that means that x is equal to tangent inverse of t and dx is equal to dt divided by 1 plus t square. So this is dx. So dx is now figured out. We need to find out cos cube x and sin 2x now. Let me use a different ink. Okay, so tangent x is t, secant x will be equal to root of 1 plus t square. And cos x will be equal to 1 by root of 1 plus t square. And because it is, so the integral is, so if I write the integral properly, I is equal to 0 to pi over 4 dx divided by cos cube x root of 2 sine 2x, which is equal to 0 to pi by 4 secant cube x. Right, so cos cube x, when we take it to the numerator, it becomes secant cube x. And similarly, we'll take 1 by rather than that, let's do it this way, 2. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x and dx. Now this 2 into 2, this will become 4, and when we take it out of the under root, it will become 1 by 2. So this is secant cube x into 1 by root of sin x into cos x dx. Okay, so secant x we have found out that secant x is equal to root of 1 plus t square. So rather than going by cos x, let's just say that secant cube x is equal to 1 plus t square raised to power 3 by 2. And then we need to find out the value of okay, we need cos x for this. So cos x is 1 by root of 1 plus t square. And then if we want to find out value of sin x is equal to tangent x into cos x. Tangent x we know is t, cos x we know is 1 by root of 1 plus t square. So sin x becomes t by root of 1 plus t square. So when we want to find out value of 1 by root sin x cos x, it will be equal to, sin x is this, 1 divided by okay, so there is 1 over plus t square into So sin x is root of sin x is t by root of 1 plus t square, and cos x is 1 by root of 1 plus t square. So this becomes 1. Let's not disturb that. So this root t and this 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square, when we club these two, when we multiply these two, the under root will go, but on the other hand the overall, the outer under root will still remain. So that's just, so it will be like this. So let's just put these values in here, and in addition we'll need to find out the limits. So the limits have changed with this. So when x is equal to pi by 4, which is the upper limit, t is equal to tangent of pi by 4, which is 1. And when x is equal to 0, t is equal to tangent of 0, which is again 0. So 0 to 1, we have all the values that we need. So secant cube x is 1 plus t square raised to power 3 by 2, and this will be 1 plus t square raised to power 1 by 2. So I'm converting root into raised to power 1 by 2, and then root t is in the denominator. You can write this as t raised to power minus 1 by 2 into dx. Dx when converted into dt, it will be dt by 1 plus t square. So this is what we are working with, 0 to 1. So 1 plus t square, so it has 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus this one right here, that is in the denominator, into t raised to power minus 1 by 2 dt. So this will be from 0 to 1. So 3 by 2 plus, so this will be 2 minus 1, which is just 1. So 1 plus t square raised to power 1 is 1 plus t square only, to t raised to power minus 1 by 2 dt. Oh, we missed something, which is this clever fellow here. So yeah, 1 by 2 we have missed. Yeah, this is a common mistake that happens, is the constants. So when you're changing this, you're changing this, you're changing this, you're changing this, you're changing this gets missed out because this doesn't change, right? So that's the whole problem. Yeah. So this will be 1 by 2. So 1 into t raised to power minus 2 is just t raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus t raised to power 2 minus 1 by 2, which is t raised to power 3 by 2 dt. So this will be 1 by 2 into t raised to power minus 1 by 2, it will be t raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus t raised to power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Limits from 0 to 1. So this will be 2 into t raised to power 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into t raised to power 5 by 2, 0 to 1. So let's put 1 first. 1 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into 1 raised to power 5 by 2 minus, so then we put 0 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5, 0 raised to power 5 by 2. So 1 raised to 1 by 2 raised to power 1 by 2 is 1, 1 raised to power 5 by 2 is also 1, 0 raised to power 1 by 2 is 0, 0 raised to power 5 by 2 is 0. So simplify that a bit, which is 2 plus 2 by 5, and rest everything is 0. So this will be 1 by 2 into 12 by 5, and the final value of I will be 6 by 5, which is our answer. Yes, this is what it is.